Hello everyone. This is the third session of personality types, and this session takes references from the book Word Power Made Easy. And if you want to do exercises related to the words discussed in this session, you can refer to that book. Now let's start. Unraveling the personality puzzle, introverts, extroverts, and ambiverts. Discover the captivating origins of these intriguing personality types and how they are connected to the Latin verb verto, meaning to turn. The terms introvert, extrovert, and ambivert have deep roots in the concept of turning one's thoughts inward, outward, or in both directions, respectively. The prefix intro signifies thoughts turned inward, while extro represents thoughts turned outward. Those who are labeled as ambiverts possess the unique ability to navigate both inward and outward thought processes with ease. Understanding these linguistic connections sheds light on the diverse ways people process and interact with the world around them. The Sinister Stigma, Unveiling the Left-Handed Enigma. Unravel the historical connotations behind left-handedness, from the Latin word sinister to the French term gauche, and explore the changing perceptions of left-handed individuals. Throughout history, being left-handed was associated with negative superstitions and judgments, as the Latin word for left hand, sinister, also meant threatening, evil, or dangerous in English. This linguistic link contributed to the suspicion and prejudice against left-handed people. The French term gauche, meaning left, further perpetuated the notion of clumsiness, particularly in social settings. However, societal attitudes have evolved and now celebrate the diversity and uniqueness of left-handed individuals. Adroit versus gauche, the battle of skill and clumsiness. Let us uncover the meanings behind adroit and gauche, examining their contrasting connotations and what they reveal about finesse and social grace. Adroit, derived from the French word droit, meaning right, denotes skillfulness, cleverness, and mental agility. An adroit individual can deftly navigate complex situations and challenges. On the other hand, gauche, taken from the French term for left, implies awkwardness, lack of finesse, and social clumsiness. Understanding the origins of these words provides valuable insights into how language reflects cultural perceptions of skill and grace. Misanthropes, Misogynists, and Misogamists. Unveiling the Hate Trifecta. Let us delve into the world of aversions with a look at those who despise mankind, women, and marriage, and the Greek root misogyny that unites them. The Greek root misogyny, meaning to hate, forms the basis of words like misanthrope, misogynist, and misogamist, representing strong negative emotions towards humanity, women, and marriage, respectively. These terms offer a glimpse into the darker aspects of human psychology and the complex relationships we form with society, gender roles, and marital bonds. Philanthropy, love that transforms the world. Let's now explore the heartwarming concept of philanthropy, its connection to the Greek root philanthropist, and the impact of giving on society. Philanthropy, originating from the Greek word philanthropist, symbolizes a deep love for mankind expressed through generous financial contributions and acts of kindness towards those in need. The concept of philanthropy has the power to transform communities, support charitable causes, and promote positive change, reflecting the best aspects of human compassion and empathy. Monogamy, bigamy, and polygamy, unraveling the knots of marriage. Let's embark on a journey through different marital customs, from one marriage at a time to unlawful practices, all rooted in the Greek word gamos. The Greek root gamos, signifying marriage, underpins various terms related to different marital practices. Monogamy describes the custom of having only one marriage at a time, promoting fidelity and commitment. Bigamy refers to the illegal act of entering another marriage while still legally married to someone else. Polygamy, often associated with historical practices such as those of the Mormons, involves one person having multiple spouses. Understanding these terms helps unravel the complexities and nuances of marital traditions across cultures. Himalayan Mystique, Polyandry and its surprising allure. Now we venture into the unique world of polyandry, where women have multiple husbands, and uncover the cultural significance of this lesser known marital practice. Polyandry, derived from the Greek root andros, meaning male, is a captivating practice found in the Himalayan mountains of Tibet. In polyandrous marriages, one woman may have two or more husbands, challenging traditional notions of marital dynamics. This fascinating custom offers a window into the intricate social, economic, and cultural fabric of Himalayan societies and prompts us to reevaluate our understanding of family structures and gender roles. So, these were the few words related to personality types, and this was the third and last session on personality types. And see you in the next video with some other topic. Thank you. Bye bye.